future of our country is at stake.
This movement, as Americans from across the country peacefully protest.
Oh, the police got their hands full tonight.
Victory for President Trump in the impeachment trial.
The World Health Organization says it's not a global emergency.
The disgraced financier Jeffrey Epstein is dead.
Dubbed the murder hornet for the way it decapitates its prey,
TikTok is in danger after the president threatens to shut it down.
I learned about roaches. I learned about kids jumping on my lap.
The McRib sandwich is back.
And I've loved kids jumping on my lap.
There's only one candidate that can do the job.
Special Officer Doofy, reporting for duty.
That's right. It's, Doofy.
Yeah.
I'm voting for Doofy.
I'm voting for Doofy.
I vote for Doofy.
Yeah, I'm gonna run for President of the United States of America.
I am voting for Doofy.
I'm voting for Doofy.
I'm voting for Doofy.
I got nobody.
You know, I'm gonna win the race. Yeah, because my mom, she just bought me these new running shoes. Yeah, and they're really fast.
Vote Doofy for El Jefe.
Vote for Doofy, like God intended.
Vote Doofy 2020.
I'm gonna win the race, because those other guys don't look too fast. You know, they look old and stupid. Yeah.
After the last 4 years, we might as well go full Doofy.
I'm voting for Doofy.
I'm voting for Doofy.
I'm voting for Doof.
I'm voting for Doofy.
Bro.
I'm voting for Doofy.
Full Doofy.
Vote for Doofy. Don't disturb me while I'm cleaning up America. Yeah.
Clowns to the left of me, jokers to the right. Here I am, stuck in the middle with you.